The morning light
I can
is
be going
bright
on an
and
airport trip.
clear. We're stepping through the airport door. I pull my little rolling case across the polished floor. I point
I see the
upon
correct counter right
by the
ahead.
window at the door. I trace a glowing flight number upon the screen so bright. Lupi hums ting ting. Then set my
Wow,
bag
the
upon the
glowing
belt
screen
to
shows our
take
flight
its morning
number.
flight. Airport trip, oh what a sweet and sparkly little ride. We're following the cheery signs with every
I let the
joyful
roll
stride.
bag
Airport
slide
trip,
away
oh
now.
what a cozy journey we will see, with smiling faces all around as we go flying free. I carry a little plastic
I
tray
place
and
my things
walk
on the
through
tray
Silver Hall.
carefully.
The sunny departure windows catch the morning light so tall. I watch the
Oh,
gentle
the
airplanes
bright
dancing
hall
across the
feels so
morning
wide
sky,
and
and sit
open.
upon the waiting bench until our flight will fly. Lupi whispers tap tap. Airport trip, oh what
Yes,
a gentle
I tap
and
my
a
fingers while we
glowing
patiently
flight.
wait.
We're following the bright maps throughout the morning light. Airport trip, oh what a sweet adventure we will share, with cheerful hearts that leave
The
behind
covered
our
path
worries
leads
everywhere.
us right
I
inside.
walk along the covered hall that leads me to my seat. The cozy cabin greets us with a
Whoops, I
soft
stepped
and
carefully into
steady
the narrow
beat.
aisle.
Lupi hums. I press my little hand against the window clear and high, and watch the sleepy world below.
I
as
press
we
my
go
hand
floating
against the
by.
cool
Beside
glass.
whoosh-hoo. Airport trip, oh what a bright and bouncy little day. We're following the glowing signs that lead us on our airport
I
trip.
watch the spinning
Oh,
belt
what a
car
cozy
back.
journey we will know, with smiling friends who help us let the gentle breezes blow. I watch the spinning carousel go round and
I
round so
pull my
slow.
suitcase toward the bright
My
exit.
little rolling suitcase comes and starts to softly glow.